There are many important things which everyone must know. This is small clip to make people aware of facts happening around the world. Be aware. What if someday you are in a problem and your cell phone does not have any network? That time what you'll do? Did you know? For this, people has made an emergency number. This will connect to a police or ambulance, fire brigade and give you the nearest network present there. For that, just dial 112 and your emergency number will be connected. So if there is no network in cell phone and it's very emergency, so dial 112. What if someday you go to remove money from ATM and a thief comes there and tell you to remove money and give it to him? What you'll do? Do you have any idea? Just don't be scared and enter your PIN in reverse order. Due to this, money will come out, so robber can't harm you. But all the doors of ATM will be locked and police will come immediately. Don't be afraid when thief forces you to remove money from ATM. Just enter reverse of your PIN and you are safe. What if you lost your phone or your phone is robbed? What you'll do? Did you know? As everyone know, prevention is always better than cure. The same way our phone has an EMIE number, due to which we can off our phone forever. Until and unless we don't enter our EMIE number, our phone will not work. We can find this EMIE number by dialing *#06# and you'll get your 15-digit EMIE number. Note your 15-digit number in a book. So when your phone is robbed, you just give the IMEI number to police and your phone stops working. Do you know, sometimes a little carelessness or laziness by us can harm us only, as we all go for shopping to big malls and small stores. So always keep a habit of checking each product properly, and mostly for food items, check expiry dates. And at the end, take a proper bill from the seller, something very important. If you buy food items with expiry dates, then food poison is possible, and using cosmetics with expiry date can harm your skin. So it is very necessary to check an expiry date before buying any product. Points to remember: check product properly. Check expiry date. Check manufacture date. Take proper bill of each product. Do you know what? Nowadays in some of trial rooms cameras are placed, and while we are changing, video is being recorded. And to check whether camera is there or not, before going to a trial room, dial a call from your cell phone and call someone from inside. If you can call, then there is no camera. But if you can't make any call, then there is definitely camera placed. Did you know all these things 5 minutes before? It's really very interesting. So be aware and be safe.